Most people think investing in ETFs and mutual funds is the same, but here's a shocker. One can save you over $1,000 a year. Which should you pick? First off, let's debunk the myth that ETFs and mutual funds are interchangeable investment vehicles. An ETF is like an online store for stocks. You can buy it anytime during market hours, just like browsing Amazon. On the other hand, mutual funds are more like your traditional department store. They only close and open once per day at the end of trading. This means ETFs can react faster to market changes, giving you more flexibility in your trades. Another key difference? Cost. ETFs are like budget shopping. They often have lower fees than their department store equivalent, the mutual funds. In fact, over a decade, those savings can add up to thousands, making ETFs often the more cost-effective choice for many investors. But remember, this is general guidance. Your personal investment strategy depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Always research or consult a professional before making decisions. Subscribe to Money Mechanics for more insights like this. We decode how money really works, one mechanism at a time.